It's been a while since we made dinner together because baby Ari was born, right? What is that? It's raw chicken, right?
Raw chicken, no cooking.
What are we making for dinner tonight?
Chicken shawarma.
Chicken shawarma.
What is this?
Okay, so we're gonna put all the ingredients with the chicken that mommy already trimmed, right? And we're gonna mix it, and put it in the oven. So ready? One of these.
Yeah.
In there. Oh, mess. Mommy will clean.
Yes.
In here. Very good. Now close it, please.
No, you can't.
Very good. Now we need 2 of these. Open.
Yeah, for it.
Yeah, it's your turn, baby. Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
No peppers.
Now pepper.
Is there spicy before?
No, no spicy.
Eh.
You opened it?
Yeah.
Wow, you're so strong. Garlic. Yeah, pour it in, baby.
It's yummy.
Shake, shake, shake. Yay! And all of that. Careful. Do you know what that is? Parsley.
Fast.
Mix it, baby. Show me what it looks like.
Chicken salad.
Oh, Ari's just sleeping while we make the dinner.
Mommy, I made onions. Whoa!
Wow. Make sure that it covers the pan. Let's put the onion down like this. Okay, what do we do with the skewers? In the middle. You got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Put it here. Pull it through. Bring it down. Watch your fingers because it's sharp at the top from the skewers, right?
It's off.
That's right. Push it down. You take one side, I take another side?
And just take half and
You take half. Ready? Put it over this. 1. Over there.
pour out. Napkin.
Not yet. Wait till we're done. When we're all done, that's when you get a napkin. Or now. Ready?
Yeah. I'll stand.
Ah, this one is last.
Now onion.
Now the onion.
Onion.
Put it all the way at the top. Press it down. Like that?
Yeah. Give me chicken salaba. Cheese and me chicken salaba.
Okay.
Chicken. What?
Okay, help me close it. Very good. Now, where does this go?
In the oven.
Do you know how long we put it in for?
Yes.
50 minutes. 50 minutes.
Wow.
High five. Yeah. Now we wait. Who is that?
Whoa!
Oh. Wow, you got him.
Yes.
Whoa! My God, you're so strong. Look at this cutie. Oh. Eli. Are you cleaning?
Yeah. Over here.
What's your favorite dinner to make?
Chicken salama. Mess. A big mess.
Oh. Eli, what's he doing? He's unwrapping it and then he puts it back in the oven?